New Honda CB500 Super Four has finally been revealed, and it's a bike that speaks directly to the hearts of classic Honda fans around the world. Following the production confirmation of the CB1000F earlier this year, Honda has now pulled the covers off the CB500 SF at the China International Motorcycle Exhibition. And just like its bigger sibling, this bike is clearly inspired by one of Honda's most iconic machines, the legendary CB900F from the 70s and 80s. But this isn't just a retro design exercise. The CB500 SF goes far deeper than looks alone. Instead of using Honda's familiar parallel twin 500cc engine, the CB500 SF brings something far more special to the table, a brand new inline-4 cylinder engine. That decision instantly places this bike in a more premium and emotional category, especially in a class dominated by twin-cylinder machines. Early reports suggest the engine displaces 502 cc and produces around 80 horsepower at peak. If those figures hold true, it opens the door for a future A2-compliant version, making the CB500 SF accessible to a wider range of riders. The bike is built around a diamond-type steel frame, with the engine acting as a stressed member, helping to keep the chassis both compact and rigid. Looking at the hardware, the CB500 SF doesn't disappoint. Up front, it runs upside-down forks, while the rear features a cast aluminum swing arm. Braking duties are handled by Nissan, with radially mounted 4-piston calipers at the front and a 2-piston sliding caliper at the rear, offering strong and predictable stopping power. One of the most interesting features is the optional Honda e-clutch system. While many riders casually refer to it as an automatic gearbox, that's not quite accurate. The transmission itself remains fully manual. The difference is how the clutch is operated. Instead of using your left hand, the e-clutch uses electronic control to engage and disengage the clutch during gear changes. As soon as you touch the gear lever, the system pulls the clutch in, completes the shift, and releases it smoothly. What makes Honda's e-clutch special is that it never takes control away from the rider. The clutch lever is still there, and you can override the system at any time or turn it off completely. In traffic or long rides, it adds comfort and ease. When you want full control, it's still 100% manual. In short, the e-clutch is a smart blend of convenience and rider involvement. With its debut taking place in China, it's likely the CB500 SF will launch in that region first, possibly alongside Japan. There's no official word yet on UK or European availability, but judging by the excitement surrounding this bike, many riders are hoping Honda brings it worldwide. The Honda CB500 Super Four is more than a new model. It's a statement, proof that Honda still understands the emotional pull of an inline-4 engine wrapped in timeless design.